Hi, my name is Bill Doyle. I'm from Thermal Industries, and today we're going to talk about the anatomy of a double hung window. We're going to talk about the master frame first, the header, the sill, side jambs that make up the main frame, and the master frame that holds the sashes. And that's exactly what we're looking at here. So let's start to the pocket that's in the header. This is where the top sash will slide up and seal into the header. The side jambs, as you see on each side, contains the balance system. The pocket sill is where the bottom sash actually slides into a pocket, and in this case we have a weather track sill with a slope on the outside of that pocket so that the water drains away. On a slope sill, the sash closes down and seals on top of a slope sill, and the water just runs off. And there are three different types of balances. The block and tackle balance is a device through the use of a spring and a pulley system which counterbalance the weight of the sash. It has a triposite cord. It's very strong and durable, a piano wire type spring which is very durable and long lasting. The next is a spiral balance. It's a spring loaded. You would use a device to put tension on this balance by twisting it. It will also do the same thing that a block and tackle balance will do. There is a constant force balance, and this is typically just like a tape measure. It has a metal band. It applies tension to the sash, keeping it in the desired position. The next is a balance cover. And that's basically this piece of vinyl that you see right here. And the balance is installed in the upper part of the main frame. Now I'm going to talk about the balance shoe. Each one of the balances has a shoe attached to it, and this is where the sash tilt pins, the pins that are connected to the sash, go into this balance shoe, which enables the sash to ride up and down on the frame and locks when you tilt the sash in. Next, we're going to talk about the insulating glass unit, which is an IGU. It looks like this. This is what's referred to as the insulated glass unit. It's comprised of two lights of glass, a spacer, and the butyl that goes around to create the hermetic seal inside the insulated glass unit. So we're going to talk about the sash stop, which is two pieces of vinyl on each side of the frame at the top, which limits the travel of the bottom sash in the frame. Another convenient item we have on the top sash are night latches, spring-loaded, that pop in and out, that limit the travel so you can open the window and get some ventilation, knowing that no one's going to lift the window up and get inside the house. So on the meeting rail we have the tilt latches, which lock the sash in place. To unlock them, you push them towards the center of the sash. You could tilt the sash in, and then we can see the keeper, which is the mechanism that actually engages with the lock itself that locks the two sashes together. The interlock on the top sash and on the bottom sash join together to seal the window. We're going to talk about weather stripping now, which is in several places on the sash and the frame. In the header, it's on the inside leg, so when you push your top sash up, it seals. On the sill, weather stripping is installed on the inside leg of the sill and on the bottom of the sash, all the way across on the bottom. On the sides of the top and bottom sash, the seal against the side jamb, and along the full vinyl interlock. One last feature that we have is a chimney block, which prevents air from coming up the balance tube and inside the house. Then we tilt the window back in, push it shut, push it down and lock it. And that's all the components of a double hung window.